about to go check out the river on the DRZ. It took me like an hour to freaking get here, literally, after getting my shoes and everything, because my feet are still soaked. Had to go back to the house to get a pair of shoes. Freaking spilled some crap on the floors, but here I am, so that doesn't matter. Let's go check out the river, because it is way stupid deep over here. Like, I was literally half a mile from here, couldn't even get through. So, I know he just didn't go through it, because that crap was deep AF last night. It's even deeper now. Like, the first one I went through came up to about the muffler on my, came up to my muffler. The second one I went through was freaking, I didn't go through it, I walked through it, which you guys saw. I don't even know why I'm saying this. Let's go watch the video if you want to know. Then you'll know, because it'll be up first. But, we're about down here in the river. I'm gonna go see what's popping down here. Ain't nobody here. I bet it's deep. Like, it's bad. It's flooded all the crap. It was almost dark when I was out here. Holy crap. The freak was that? Check it out, bruh. These people down here, I'm not gonna go down there, but check that crap out. It's a little bit higher than it was. VTEC kicked in, bruh. That wasn't unnecessary traction braking, that was VTEC. So let's go check out what's popping down here, bruh. Nobody here. Last night this place was packed. I'll show you guys the puddle that I went through. It about freaked me up, too. Yeah. If you guys want to see what I'm doing, like, right now. Actually, dang, the river water looks pretty clear today. Where we're going is over there. Let's see how much deeper it is. Let's see how much deeper, because last night it was on... Freak. I need to go down there. Dang, the same trees are still down there. Let's go check it out. Pretty crazy. It sounds like a freaking ocean. Like, look at all that trash. Dang, dude. But there's a couple cell phones down there, like I said yesterday. Could you imagine if you just jumped in? Like, look at all that trash. Sticks and stuff. All from the mountains. Like, we're 200 miles from the mountains out here. But it's pretty cool out here. Let's go check out. Let's go check out down here. Where I wanted to go originally. Because I know what the water was yesterday. It honestly looks the same back there. But down here it was almost over the pipe yesterday. The water out of the parking lot pipe went away a lot. But right there were my 50 tracks. I might bring the 50 back later on. But I doubt it, because this is never at the shop anymore. Well, it doesn't really need to be, because I can ride it about wherever I want to now. Let's see if that freaking water puddle, it is still here. That crap is stupid deep, dude. Like, look at this crap. I know this thing won't have any trouble going through it. Watch this. Freak. See how deep that is? It's ridiculous, bruh. That crap's deep. To be a freaking water puddle. Like, that was crazy. That was almost scary on the 50. I'm about done with this area back here. I got a freaking flat tire back here on my 50 last week. Which doesn't really matter because it was on my old tires, but still. Freaking now. People throwing out so much crap back here. Can't just keep it cool for everybody. It's gonna ruin it. At least if I get in this mud right here, I can just wash it off when I go out. With that puddle. It's a pretty cool situation. Even though I still have to wash my bike when I get home today or whenever. Probably when I get back from the beach. I mean, it's pretty deep, honestly. Nothing to be playing with, that's for sure. Let me just spin around real quick. Alright, let's go see what's popping. Let's go see what's popping down here, bruh. It honestly looks the same. I'd get somebody $20 to climb that off that pipe. But my feet are already soaked anyway. I was standing on this ladder last night. God dang, these rails are slick. Look at the leaves though. I couldn't even imagine if this thing picked up and this freaking went down the river. This is crazy. This is almost scary. Like, I couldn't even imagine being up there. You can't pay me to stay up there one night with this. Like, there's some rocks right there that you could go out on before, and this is it now. Dude, this is crazy. I don't really know where else to go that would be good and flooded like this. I mean, you see how deep it is on those handles right there. Those are waist tall when you stand down there at the bottom part, because it looks like one solid part right now, but it actually steps up down there, like literally up to your waist is where it would be. But yeah, freak this. This thing's popping under my feet, and I don't like that. I don't know where I should head to next. I'll have to go find out some more local flooded area. Actually, we'll go down Sowers Run and look at it from that side. I'm not gonna go too fast out of here. You know, I could probably spin this off right now. Yeah, it's fun. If this crap doesn't freaking quit hitting my shoulder, and these freaking bugs out here, they keep getting on the GoPro lens and ruining footage. Like out of every 5 videos I get like 3 good ones. Uh-oh, I got some kind of white truck over here. Let me just wash my tires off real quick. I don't know why the freak that gets so deep. Like, you could freaking run a car off in that and be stuck. Probably a state worker about to run me off, and I don't even care. Catch me outside. If you can, boy. Pretty crazy place, though. It's like a skate park for supermotos. He mad. Cause he's scared. Oh, God dang, why do people bring their dogs out here so much? If you guys want a DRZ, I would totally suggest one. Don't listen to that bullcrap about soft valves. It's freaking lies, I believe. Can't tell me that you have that much trouble. You can go to Harbor Freight buy a Predator 212 or even a 125 engine off eBay and not have trouble out of it, but have trouble out of this. Like, this is like an $8,000 bike new. I'd love it if this thing had a white tank and it was white or something. Not great. I think black would look nice, but I think it's scratched bad, like real bad. Must be nice to be able to camp like that. See how close we were? Like literally 1,000 feet. So you're like 2,000 feet from being clear. Freak, that's a state truck, bruh. Oh, I know that guy. What's up? You see how deep it is on that sign? This isn't where I was either, I don't think. It might have been, I don't even remember. I don't remember this big log being here at all. Dang, what the freak am I doing? We just went that far away from the river and it's already here. Like, that's crazy. And maybe a 20, I settled for a 2017, but at least an 18 if you're on a sponsor. 2018 DRZ 400. Like, that'd be the ultimate. Thing to have. Right there, bruh. Must mean that it's a day for me or something. Yeah. Day for me to go get something to eat. About tempted to go get something to eat in Salisbury. Yeah, bruh. We got turn signals and crap. Yeah, I love it when I don't have to wait at an intersection for anybody.